Finding reliable cars for less than $1,500 can be challenging, but some options in the market stand out. These vehicles often require basic repairs or maintenance but can be functional. Here are 5 popular models within this budget. $1,990 for Buick Regal Custom. This sedan is known for its durability and spacious interior. It's a good option for short commutes, although minor repairs may be needed to keep it running smoothly. 2000 Volvo S80 T6. This model features premium options like leather seats and a sunroof. Volvos from this era are generally reliable with proper maintenance. 2003 Toyota Corolla. Renowned for its fuel efficiency and durability, this model is ideal for daily use, provided the vehicle has been well maintained. 2008 Ford Taurus X. Despite high mileage and many units, this SUV offers ample interior space and advanced features for its time, such as stability control. 2004 Honda Civic. Civics are celebrated for their reliability and fuel efficiency. This is a safe choice if you find one with a consistent maintenance history. If you decide to purchase a car in this price range, ensure a thorough inspection and account for future repair costs. Tools like Carfax or consulting a trusted mechanic can help verify the vehicle's history.